You see this fan right here? They tell you that it's a desk fan. They tell you that you can put it on your desk while you're working in your way from your 9 to 5, but I'm gonna say no. This is your vacation fan. This is your going in the trailer. This is your going camping fan because it's portable. It doesn't have any wires unless you're charging it up right here. So we're done charging it up. Now you can stick this in the tent. You can stick this right next to you. My son actually can't fall asleep for whatever reason unless he has a fan just sticking it in his face. And so he loves to have a fan. And we used to go boondocking in our trailer all the time, but the fans all night, every night would drain our batteries down. And so we need these portable fans so that it doesn't drain our batteries. And this portable fan is a 10,000 milliamp out battery. What that means is that on the lowest speed right here on level 1, you're gonna get about 40 hours of continuous runtime. Perfect for overnight. Plus, if you need a nightlight, you have one now. You have a nightlight, you can increase the intensity if you need to see what's going on. That's gonna eat up the battery a little bit more. If you wanna turn it off and just have a timer for a couple hours, it's gonna go all the way up to, I believe, 8 hours, and then you can shut off and it just turns itself off. Let's see what's going on around here, light. And that's it. You have level 1, level 2 on the light. You also have a digital gauge right here that tells you exactly how much battery life you have left. Right around the 10% mark, I'm gonna kick that in and start charging it back up. Also on the other side is really cool. So if you want, you can actually plug this in right here, and now your phone's charging. You can charge your phone in the campground in the tent or up in the RV. Or you can plug it in to a battery bank like this and start charging it back up to 100%. This big blade right here is a little bit bigger than a computer fan, probably twice the size of what goes on the back of the computer. But at the highest speed, it does push out a lot of air. And it's pretty quiet too, so you can hear that. It's not that noisy. So you can put it up like a desk fan if you want. You can hook it up like that to be on your desk. I can still feel the air from there. I can still feel the air from right about there is probably where I can still feel it, but it's a little bit, it's not cooling me down. It's just like a gentle breeze. So if I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna probably keep it in my personal space, probably about right there where it's not so noisy, not taken away. Let me show you how we are actually gonna use this fan with the light while we're camping. So it's getting to be that time of year where it gets a little bit uncomfortably hot in the middle of the day, but check this out. Boom, top of the gazebo right there. Now I can still feel it. It's coming down on us, all of us around here, and we can still feel it all throughout the day, so we can keep our vacation and keep playing throughout the day. We want to play some cards, we want to have some meals, whatever. That fan is going to cool us down quite a bit. Plus, it has an awesome remote. So if you stick the fan further away, or if you put it in a tent, whatever, you can turn it off or on with the remote. So that's pretty cool that it comes with this awesome remote. Has all the modes, the sleep timer, everything with the remote. Plus on the back side of this fan, you're gonna have 3 really strong magnets. So strong, that's gonna stick right to the side of a tent. So if you have like a tent pole or whatever, this right here. All right, you got 3 magnets. That's really strong, so it's gonna sit right there if you wanna put it in the corner anywhere. Now, I don't have a lot of metal in here, but I do have just a tiny bit, like that much. And that's all you need to get it to stick because the magnets are so strong right here. So in my opinion, this is not just a desk fan, although you can use it for that, but why would you? Let's take this camping, put it in your RV. Now you have a light that's gonna be a night light or a let's keep the party going light, and you can play cards for as long as you want. So isn't that cool? It's the coolest, it's my biggest fan. So isn't that cool? That's awesome, right? You can take this with you on the road, less traveled, and stay cool all night long.